My name's Logan Gilmour, and I'm I guess a 3D software developer. I'm also a master's student at the University of Alberta, and I'm doing a thesis on this building reconstruction stuff. I started a game studio as well on the side with a couple of friends. So the game that we built is called Run Gun Jump Gun. We made thousands. I got introduced to Peter Amarongman. He sort of said, like, I'm trying to figure out how to do photogrammetry for these buildings. And I sort of said, like, well, I want to go back to school anyway. Photogrammetry is basically taking measurements from photographs. Like, there's this black box. It's like this magic box that turns pictures into 3D models, and I want to learn how that works. And then I did some work on sort of testing photogrammetry with some existing software for this Sundance housing project. You're essentially constructing the 3D model right on top of the photographs. So for me, the start is usually showing up on site with a drone and a total station. So that usually means about 8 photographs. And then I get the drone up in the air and take a bunch of photographs of the house. I put some retroreflective targets up on the house. I go back to here and I try and, out of this whole huge pile of photographs I took, pick 8 good ones that basically cover the angles that I need. And then I construct a 3D model just by drawing in faces and doing sort of standard CAD operations right on top of the photographs. So I'll bring those in and then I'll reference them against the known locations on the building. The photo process is really nice because you got a picture of the geometry, and it's easy to sort of keep track of what you actually are, what your measurements are. Go through, model on top of these photos, scale and constrain it with the total station coordinates, and then I just export it and I send it off, and they use it.